All right, it's Guns and Silver with a little update on my knife, my everyday carry knife I had for the last 22 years or so. And it turns out that it is a Spyderco Bob Lum C65 serrated blade Chinese model. Have this here, and it is got the Bob Lum laser etching on the blade and the serialized number. These were serialized runs. The first run of them were serialized. This is an aluminum handle plates that were coated in green almite, or it's like an anodized coating that goes on the blade. And I found it extremely useful. I put it through a lot of tasks working, like I said in the video I had on my Spyderco knife that I just bought. This one here, the Tenacious. And Tenacious, of course, is a somewhat larger, heavier blade and knife. The Spyderco Chinese C65 is about 2.8 ounces, and the Spyderco Tenacious is well over 4.3, 4.4 ounces in the pocket. It's a great knife, but it's bigger than I thought, and it's pretty heavy in the pocket. It bangs around a bit in my cargo pants that I use for everyday carry. This knife has been, like I said, it's a true everyday carry knife. With the serrated blade, it chopped through everything I've ever needed. I did crack the tip off, which I explained in the other video, which makes me sad. But to tell you the truth, that's the only little flaw that I've got on this knife. No complaint. That was my particular foul up, breaking the tip on the knife. But that was well over a decade ago, probably 14 years ago, when I was really hitting it with my welding shop. Use this really heavily. I still use it for cutting open Amazon packages and little things, but it's pretty much, it's been retired. That's why I went with this. But I've got another Spyderco coming in the mail, a Ambitious, which is a little shorter blade, little lighter carry knife that I think I'm going to use as an EDC. Okay, so that's my update on the Spyderco. This is the Spyderco Bob Lum Chinese model. Discontinued recently. They ran until about 2018, I believe, but not this particular version. The first runs came out 2000, 2001, and had that serialized number. This is number 837 on the blade. And I'm pretty happy with Spyderco. Thank you. That's the update.